You spent decades following the standard mission plan. Put money in your 401k, your 403b, your traditional IRA. You were told this is the way to build wealth. Defer the taxes today so you can have more tomorrow. But there's a catch. Those accounts aren't actually your money yet. They are a joint venture between you and the IRS, and the IRS owns a lien on every dollar in that bucket. Now, as you approach or cross the age 73 threshold, that lien is being called in. The IRS mandates that you start taking required minimum distributions, RMDs. They force you to pull that money out, whether you need it or not, and they tax it at ordinary income rates. If you've been successful, these distributions can push you into a higher tax bracket, trigger higher Medicare premiums, and erode the legacy you worked a lifetime to build. In military operations, if you know a threat is coming, you don't just sit and wait for the impact. You deploy countermeasures. You neutralize the threat before it hits your objective. We do the same with your retirement income through a three-phase tax strategy. Phase 1, implement active tax strategies. We look at your current business or personal cash flow to identify where you are overpaying right now. Integrated payroll, gusto optimization, and recapturing wasted capital. We stop the bleed today so you have more fuel for the strategy tomorrow. Phase 2, maximize tax-deferred strategies. We don't stop using these tools. We just use them better. We ensure you are maximizing the contributions allowed by law to lower your taxable footprint while you are still in your peak earning years. Phase 3, utilize tax advantage strategies. This is the countermeasures. We utilize vehicles like specific IUL strategies or cash value life insurance that produce tax advantage income. Why? Because when the IRS forces you to take that taxable RMD from your deferred bucket, we use the tax-free income from your advantage bucket to pay the tax bill. The mission, tax neutrality. The goal is tax neutrality. Imagine taking your mandatory distribution at age 73, seeing the tax bill, and having a separate stream of income to cover that bill entirely, leaving your principal and your lifestyle untouched. Most advisors only look at one bucket. They tell you just pay the tax and move on. I look at the whole terrain. I help you build a secondary engine that generates the cash flow required to satisfy the IRS without draining your family's wealth. We aren't just saving for retirement. We are engineering a tax-efficient exit strategy. We utilize the knowledge and talents you already have to increase your income now and apply that surplus to build the tax advantage fortress you'll need later. You've done the hard work building the mountain. Don't let the IRS take the peak. At age 60, 65, or already facing the age 73 RMD threshold, you need a tax neutralization briefing. Let's look at your buckets. Let's map out the exact path to offer those mandatory distributions using tax advantage strategies. No cost, no commitment, just clarity on how to keep more of what you already earned. Book your 45-minute financial recon. In the comments, you can set up an appointment. All right. Let's make a great future.